Hello Internet, and welcome to this quick video on finding the perimeter of a circle. Perfect for GCSE Maths. Here is an example of a question which asks us to find the perimeter of this circle in which we are given the diameter of 14 centimeters. Now, to find the perimeter, all we need to do is follow the simple rule which states that P equals pi d, or perimeter equals pi times diameter. Now, for pi, we're going to use the pi symbol in our calculator. To access this, you simply need to hit Shift and then the button which is times 10 to the power of x. This is a button in itself, and you'll find it towards the bottom of the calculator, quite close to the equals button. Or in a non-calculator test, we're going to take pi to be 3.14 if we don't leave it in its pi term. You'll see what I mean in a moment. Now, all we have to do is substitute our values in, so we know that P equals pi d, therefore we can say that P equals pi times 14, as in this example our diameter is 14 centimeters, and therefore P equals 14 pi. In non-calculator, you might leave it at this point, or you might simply times it by 3.14, in which you'll get an answer similar to the one we get in the calculator of 43.98 centimeters. It's really that simple. Here is another example of a question. However, this time we are not given a diameter, we are given a radius. Now, we use the same rule again, saying that P equals pi d, therefore we're going to use the pi symbol just as we would before and know that d is the diameter. However, this time we can say that d equals 2 times r, as our diameter is double the size of our radius. Therefore, here we have d equals 2 times 3, meaning our diameter here is going to be 6 centimeters. Substituting these values into P equals pi d, we can say that our perimeter equals pi times 6, or 6 pi centimeters, in which we might leave it here for non-calculator or times by that 3.14, or putting it in our calculator, we should get an exact value of 18.85 centimeters as our perimeter of this circle. It's really that simple.